Hello everybody! Look what I got. I got a new box. I ordered something the other day. I can't wait to show it to you. I love this sticker that says live plants. Please handle with care. So the other day I found something that was on my wish list. I've been looking for this for 3 years and I found it, and I can't wait to share it with you today. This isn't going to just be an unboxing. I'm going to kind of tell you what I'm going to do with this plant and why. So I'm going to dig into this box and let's see what's in here. I cannot wait to show you. And I forgot to mention to you, this is from Bergen Water Gardens in New York. And look at all the packaging. This stuff is the best packaging for orchids that I've ever seen. They didn't charge me too much for postage, and they even put a heat pack in the bottom of this that I did not pay for. Because even though it's warm here in East Tennessee, it was not really all that warm on the day that I ordered this from New York. So packaging, thumbs up. They did a great job. Okay, so this is the plant. All of that packaging, the heat, the little heat pad and everything. Yes, that's very nice. And I'm glad this paper is slightly kind of damp because this was in sphagnum moss. And this is Zelemnia Midas. This is a peloric Tolumnia. Yes, it's a peloric Tolumnia. And as you see, it is on this mount. And here we are 3 days later. The previous sections I got filmed right after I opened the box. But I've been looking at this orchid and working with it for the past 3 days. I had planned on taking it off the mount because I've never had an orchid on a mount before. But this one, I tried to take it off. There is no getting it off without damaging it, and I refused to do that. I took the, there was some kind of it looked like a very soft, pliable plastic string that was holding this to begin with on this mount. I cut all that away, and there is no extracting this orchid from this mount. So here we go. This is my first mount. It's going to be interesting to see where the new growth comes out, because either I'm just going to be able to add some more moss, or who knows, maybe eventually I might be able to take it off the mount without damaging any roots. The thing about Tolumnias, rule number 1 is you don't damage the roots on Tolumnias. Oh my goodness. If you do, you set them back and they might not ever recover. I've had some of them that have come out of those little baskets, which really that's not any different than a mount, in my opinion. But I've had them that have had really a hard time coming off of those little baskets, and they just didn't survive. So I'm not risking that with this one. And you can see here on the back of this mount, do you see all these roots back here? They are stuck fast to this mount, so I am not messing with them. And as this grows, I can just add moss to this. I can just keep attaching moss to it, but I'm not going to remove it from this mount. And I want to thank everybody for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. Thanks for all of you who like and hype my videos. And please feel free to leave me a comment below. I enjoy hearing from you all so much. Thanks to all my members. Thank you all for the support that you give me every single month on my channel. And before I end the video, I'd love to say the blessing over you, your families, and your plants. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. You all make it a great day. We'll see you next time.